National Duck Racing League. Feel the quack. You are looking live tonight at the Jolly Creek Holiday Festival, home of the season finale, Machado Family Farm 400. And now, to explain what we're racing for, it's the fundraising czar, Stella.
We are fundraising for Landing and Rescue Mission because we want to help homelessness and just to give back for how fortunate we are today.
Perfect.
So we're just helping out them, and we're going to have some amazing fun. So
amazing fun. Thank you, Stella, and let's go to the booth. Let's do some duck racing. Woo!
We duck racing, passing over every rubber birdie that we facing, making bills with our bills, all of y'all be chasing, staring at our tail feathers while we first placing. Don't be hating, we just duck racing.
And now we are live with today's race sponsor of the Machado Family Farm 400. It's Joe.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about Machado Family Farm and, of course, why you're involved in National Duck Racing League.
Well, so we're a non-profit animal sanctuary. We rescued a lot of mini pigs and other animals, and I have some ducks before. So, of course, when I found out ducks were getting their own sports racing league, I had to get involved. I had to support this and support the great cause behind it.
Absolutely.
Super excited for this season finale. It's going to be a great race.
We have yet to see the course. We're going to go see the course right now. I'm ready to check it out. We're going to do tournament format. Huge, huge night.
It's going to be excellent. Let's go take a look at the race.
Let's go do it. Let's take a look at the point standings going into the finale. Rungineer Best Stitch, Little Disney Duck, Team Miranda, and this Florida Duck are the top four. And it's going to be really tough for somebody to come in outside. But I mean, Peking Duck is really going to give it a shot. Even on back to Raccoon Racing. Deep into the field, you've got a lot of ground to make up to get into those final positions to see where they're going to finish for the entire season of National Duck Racing League. So let's go out to the course and let's get this thing fired up. The Machado Family Farm 400. Look at the speed of this course. This course is so fast. How do you think the conditions are?
very fast and cold.
Fast, cold. Any duck could take this.
Yes.
The very next day. We got Rudolph the orange beak.
So here's today's course. Every duck will start here at the start-finish line, the fast river. Run down the river. Here, short course, mano y mano, 2 ducks, and the finish line will be right here at the National Duck Racing League winner's chair. So here we go. But first, let's celebrate this entire season of sailing the national anthem of yacht rock with a compilation.
It's not far to Never Land. No reason to pretend. If the wind is right, you'll find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe in me.
It's not far to Neverland. No reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe me.
takes me away where I've always heard it good. So the dream and the wind to carry me, soon I will be free.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you
Now the format of this race is going to be unlike any other. It's a tournament format due to the very tight nature of this course. So it's going to be mano y mano, one duck versus one duck, bill to bill, to determine the winner. Who will survive every round and get to that coveted championship of the Machado Family Forum 400? Let's find out now.
The reason we're doing the duck.
Here we go, the first race, Dawa Duck McGregor against Ducky McQuackface. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1, go! Holy smokes, here they come! Dawa Duck McGregor with an early lead. He hits it. Oh no! Whoa, Dawa Duck stops. Ducky McQuackface takes the lead. It's over. Whoa! What just happened?
I don't know.
Dawa Duck McGregor had it. He had it. Wow! We had Dawa Duck McGregor had it. He's out, and Ducky McQuackface wins the race. Oh my gosh, Ducky McQuackface is your winner of race 1. Okay, here we go. Race 2. It's Darkwing Duck and orange is the new fast. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. The speed is unbelievable. Darkwing Duck just comes in flying. Wins it huge. Darkwing Duck. Well, touch it. There it is. Darkwing Duck. Orange is the new fast is out. Darkwing Duck is the winner. Orange is the new fast out.
Put the ones that are out over here.
Yep. Here we go. Race 3. Walter's Fresh Beater and designated Disney Duck. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Walter's Fresh Beater. And they're tight. Oh my gosh. Designated. No, Walter's Fresh Beater. Is he going to make it? Are they going to touch? Walter's Fresh Beater. Designated Disney Duck is out. Walter's Fresh Beater is in. Designated Disney Duck is out. Man, we are moving along. How do you describe this action?
Unwordable.
Unbelievable. What do you think about this, Joe? Is this what you expected?
You know what? This is heating up good. It might be cold outside, but it's hot on the track.
It's hot, hot! And here we go. It's Jody Quaxalot and Shuck Duck. Here we go. Mono y mano in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my gosh. Jody Quaxalot coming in fast. Fast and hot. Oh, Jody Quaxalot is in. Shuck Duck is out. Wow. Jody Quaxalot is in. Shuck Duck is out.
Sorry, Shuck Duck.
What's that, Joe?
Said I'm sorry, Shuck Duck.
Yeah, we're all friends of the mayor of Meisner's and now the Gold Enchanted Rose. But, you know, he's over here in Losers Alley.
Well, at least he gets to enjoy the band. The band's about to come on.
That's true. It is, yeah, absolutely. So, Losers Alley, sorry, gang. Here we go. Rungineer Best Stitch and Ducky McQuackface. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Rungineer Best Stitch comes out early. This is why she was the higher seed. Rungineer Best Stitch, leaving him in the dust. It's over. Rungineer Best Stitch. Ducky McQuackface is out. And there he is. Rungineer Best Stitch is in. Quackface is out.
There's no purple.
Or blue. Here we go. Mouse and More podcast and Dare Duckbergen. Here we go. Mouse and More and Dare Duckbergen. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Holy smokes, Bergen! Oh, they're neck and neck! Beak and beak! Mouse and More passes Bergen! Mouse and More! No! Yep, Mouse and More. Wow! They were neck and neck. They swapped positions. Mouse and More is in. Dare Duckbergen. Beak and beak. And Dare Duckbergen is out. Mouse and More. All right, here we go. Little Disney Duck and Darkwing Duck. 3, 2, 1, go! Darkwing Duck fast out the gate. Little Disney Duck is rolling. Slowing down though. Little Disney Duck slows. One of the favorites for the whole tournament. It's over. Darkwing is in. Little Disney Duck is out. Oh my gosh, huge upset. Huge upset. Darkwing Duck is in. Little Disney Duck is out. And here we go. Quack Efron and Queen Quackmire. Here we go. Go. Queen Quackmire off to the lead. Quack Efron. Oh, it's neck and neck, beak and beak. They're going to rush each other to the edge. Queen Quackmire takes the lead over Quack Efron. Queen Quackmire.
Team Miranda.
Things you used to do.
All right, Team Miranda and Walter's Fresh Speeder. The battle of the smiley faces. Both are smiley faces. Pink and red. Smileys. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Here they go. Oh, Walter's Fresh Speeder behind Team Miranda. Early lead. Miranda's going to take it. Walking away. Well. Wow. No winner yet. Wow. Almost. Wow, that was close. Team Miranda pulls it off. Tried to lose it. Miranda is in. Speeder is out. Angus and Nature Duck Quack Flare. Wow, huge race in 3, 2, 1. Wow, okay, Flare and Angus. Angus is rolling. Slowing down. Nature Duck Quack Flare. No, slows down. Angus passes at the last second. Angus wins. Angus wins. Oh my gosh. Flare just absolutely had the win and gave it up. Flare is out. Angus is in. Finally, Angus wins something. Angus moves on to the Great 8. Wow. Here we go. This Florida Duck and Jody quacks a lot. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Jody quacks a lot, and oh, this Florida Duck. Neck and neck, beak and beak. Who's it gonna be? This one, Jody! Florida Duck! Florida Duck, will she make it? Jody? Oh, hasn't touched yet. There it is. This Florida Duck takes the victory. This Florida Duck is in. Jody is out.
Who's next? Back in there, see if we can get.
Here we go. Peking Duck and Raccoon Racers. What a huge rivalry. A rivalry. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh. They're flying. Peking Duck. Wow. Peking Duck just going to win it.
So we're gonna
Peking Duck beats Raccoon Racers. Wow. Peking Duck is in. Raccoon Racers is out.
I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a couple.
All right, we're getting down to it. The final 8 ducks. You've got Rungeneer Beth, Mouse and More, Darkwing Duck, Queen Quackmire, Team Miranda, Angus, Jody Quacks-a-Lot, and Peking Duck.
So these two?
We are making a correction. It's this Florida duck, not Jody Quacks-a-Lot.
These two dead?
So here we go. Rungeneer Beth Stitch and Mouse and More podcast. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Mouse and More podcast. Early lead. But Rungeneer Beth Stitch takes the lead. Comes out of nowhere. Rungeneer Beth Stitch takes the lead mid-course. Rungeneer Beth Stitch is in. Mouse and More podcast is out. Stitch. Darkwing Duck and Queen Quackmire. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my gosh, Queen Quackmire early. You got Darkwing Duck coming in late. Who's gonna do it there? She's rolling. Quackmire is your winner. Quackmire in. And Stitch is out. All right. Team Miranda and Angus.
Stick around, you gotta help us sing this song.
Team Miranda and Angus. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Team Miranda flying to the lead. Angus way behind. Look at her go. Miranda to the win. Angus sucking gas back here in second place. Miranda's in. Angus is out.
Had a very shabby nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Well, they live.
Here we go. This Florida Duck and Peking Duck. This Florida Duck and Peking Duck. Let's go. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Peking Duck. Slowing down. Florida Duck. Peking Duck. I think. Judges. Who was it? Peking Duck is in. Florida Duck is out. Peking Duck. Wow. So we have gotten to the Final 4. Stitch, Queen Quackmire, Team Miranda, and Peking Duck. We are so close from the Machado family farm. Champ Duck.
Yeah.
Here we go. Stitch and Queen Quackmire. In 3, 2, 1, go! Queen Quackmire rolling down. Stitch! They're slowing down. No one's moving. What's going to happen? Oh, yeah. Let them go. Let them go. Here they go. Quackmire. Stitch and Quackmire. Queen Quackmire wins it. Queen Quackmire wins it. Queen Quackmire is in. Stitch is out. Here we go. Here we go. Team Miranda and Peking Duck for the championship. Team Miranda and Peking Duck. Here we go. Wow. to be in the championship. Peking Duck. Miranda slowing down. Peking Duck picking up pace. Peking Duck! It's in the finals! Miranda is out. Peking Duck is in.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, you guys, I'm sure you know these tunes. You gotta sing along, okay?
So here we go. The finals will go all the way to the end of the course. Mano a mano. The final two ducks going the entire length of the course. You've got Queen Quagmire and Peking Duck for the finals. The entire course here at Jolly Creek for the championship.
Sugar cookie. This is truly the best. Candy Cane Lane, one of our favorite vacationing spots ever. Oh my goodness.
Here we go, the finals. Queen Quagmire, Peking Duck. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go, Queen Quagmire for the title. She's gone for it.
All right, we're gonna do the wave. Starting from this
Queen
side.
Quagmire all the way. Here we go. Queen Quagmire is your champion. Here it is, your champion of the Machado Family Farm 400, live here. It's Queen Quagmire, and guess what? We have her owner right here in Victory Lane. What did you do? How did you get Queen Quagmire finally in Victory Lane?
Well, it's all about getting a good start.
Yeah.
And considering that this was a drag race, I feel like I have a competitive edge.
Clearly. So what did you do? Did you do different kinds of training? What did you do? Anything differently?
I had her study a lot of tapes, like the 1972 Gator Nationals, the 1965
Oh, 65!
65 Winter Nationals.
65, okay.
And I had her study some tapes from like Englishtown, you know, because that's a good track.
Well, obviously, Englishtown. Obviously. Any duck racing? Do you have any duck racing footage, or just she just went straight for drag racing?
Straight for drag racing. It's
Well,
either
it worked.
300 mile an hour or nothing.
It worked. So here we go. Here she is, the champion of the Machado Family Farm 400.
Winner right here.
There it is. It's Queen Quagmire. Winner.
Chicken, duck dinner.
Duck. Oh, just we'll just go with dinner. Just dinner.
Oh yeah. Shh.
Just dinner.
You didn't hear that.
Just
It's
dinner.
your cousin. Just winner dinner.
Just dinner. Winner dinner.
Winner dinner.
All right. Cheers. So moving on. Congratulations to Queen Quagmire and her owner, Ellen, for the winner of the final race, Machado Family Farm 400. What a night here at the Jolly Creek. So taking a look at the final results of today's race, Queen Quagmire comes out on top, and on down the list based on the seedings. All placements were based on points coming into the race. Some were able to push through and increase their rankings, and some weren't. But this is the finals. Unfortunately, near the back, Dawa Duck McGregor, Orange is the New Fast, Designated Disney Duck, Shuck Duck did not really advance their position much. So all glory, though, goes, and all accolades to Queen Quagmire. There's Queen Quagmire right in front of the Christmas tree. And our final standings have been tabulated. Runjoneer Beth Stitch is your National Duck Racing League champion for the inaugural season. Huge props to Runjoneer Beth Stitch. Did not necessarily dominate any particular race, but definitely had the stamina and the consistency that really comes through in this league. Team Miranda and Peking Duck tied for second, and on down the list. Congratulations to our competitors. Which brings us to the end. Thank you to everybody who participated in this season. Thanks for all the help towards the Orlando Union Rescue Mission. Y'all are the best.
Back Scratcha Productions.
Chillin' the Most Production.